the people? Long time not upload this the bike since he got from my weekend friend. He died, get me to it. But it did break down me because I using the clutch hit all the time and mess up inside here. Not me. Have bad luck and you keep pressing the shift gear down like this. It was jumping before doing parts. Not me. Just saying I should never do it like that because this is an old scooter bike back into 1990s KTM, because a lot of old dirt bike is so good, just how you treat them. Know what I mean? I need to take this off, order new on this, check the flywheel and the parts. Yeah, I think should not be moving because every time you shift a gear, the two little care just want to make sure it not get damaged. All you gotta have for it is right there on a plastic thing right now, because I know one else put the next project because I had a Samuel. Because I buy it for $600 from Reno, and after this done, complete it, take the bolt off, buy a new one, blah blah blah. And you see the red bit went through, and this thing did not hold in the place, and you need to hold in the place, and ribbon should be lining up the thing. This will be running up soon, not now because we know got some rain and snow coming in very well. And snow, I will not walk out here because I will tell you why, it's too cold. Second, my light right there is not good. I'm using a big light right there because they're a D light. I like it. And three, a lot of people would not walk out cold well because the body can get agitated. Know what I mean? I used to have an engine for my Samuel. The VW bus engine year was 1974 G-Wagon. I saw the all parts just never got to it and never paid attention to the engine. Know what I mean? And what else? Because I take it apart, never put back together, and find out our engine I cannot find the parts because the parts is really hard to track down for 1974 bus engine VW. The air cool plus air cooling costs a lot more to cool your engine down, just to keep it cool. And this guy who bought off from Reno, in Reno, Stanton, Nevada. Yeah, and right now just going about one project first. Going to get a 1.4 engine. I think it's a Super engine or Subi. And yeah, after my dirt bike is done, we'll start on this one project right here. Samuel homemade homemade frame. I was going to make a gas tank right there. You see a hole right there. I was going to make it gas thing for to hold the gas tank up. Know what I mean? Because I want to make it a little more nicer. I still need to sand all the paint off to back there, to up here, down here, everywhere. And plus I need modification the seat belt and everything. And now how I got this on here, I just lift it by myself. And yeah, this table was heavy more than this this you can't put anyone on like heavy duty stuff. I wanted because got extra table because put my toes at the one brand new old used because towel not cheap, not money. And you want to get good towel, just save your money up for go somewhere. And yeah, I want to go snowboarding. I had no driver's license, no warranty, I know how to drive. Just one thing. My mom is driving her car. It's a Mazda CX-7 with a turbo in it. Know what I mean? You know how turbo get blow up turbo, you need to fix the engine. And yeah, trying to get a truck with no turbo, like a Ford Ranger by 4. Yeah. How did spray paint the whole frame? I got my friend next door to me. He let me use spray can on me because I'll never get to someone else, know what I mean? I spread this right here, know what I mean? Seeing some chipping, I can tell. I spread this, know what I mean? Nice. I was going to spray this all red. Know what I mean? Using the color all red. I was going to make it blue and red all around. I'm going to make spray paint everywhere red blue. And what else I need to do? Get the gear and the gear. Transmission gear, I already have it. New one for it. Right here, a very lower. I think I'm going to replace it for a brand new pipe, FMS pipe. It's a racing one. How it fit my two-stroke because my two-stroke exhaust pipe are big. And I cannot say nothing because I cannot because this thing is like a big, yeah, a big pipe. Right there, come back here, just pop out, and to making sure it will go on. And I had not chain on because my friend to take it off because this was before this happened was running good. You know what I mean? I did not know how to water my engine because the gas kit did the job they should do. You know what I mean? And we take out the oil, everything was totally half white water in it and oil brownish, kind of like a caramel color. And we take it out. We take this out. I take I pull off because I still have it. I put in there because I want to lose it. Yeah, I want the part like this. The gasket on that one, it was ripped between the ends, right? And my head, not me. And my head, and my brakes stuff. Going to put new bushing on top my motorcycle. Not me. Yeah, I can. This need go down here like this. That'll be a little more raised up. And this was raised in 02, 2012. And this type is made in Australia. Because a lot of dirt bike is from Australia for KTM. And yeah, I need a lot of help trying to get this running up. Had one of my friend mechanic coming back out here again. And when this would be running, I will start it up. Reveal about everything was going on, how it runs, how I like it now. I was about my first motocross race, was 13. I think 13, yeah. I saw the motocross people and tell my mom I want one. At 16 I will buy one. I want to buy one. I want to buy one, know what I mean? I look at one dirt bike so long. I just barely got this running. And I messed it up. And my friend on my dirt bike. One offered me a ATV racing off market parts, right? I said no, man, I cannot because she cannot my dream. Since I was 16, and my friend. Every time he says something, he forgot who his best friend is. Know what I mean? I know he not there on hardware, just saying. You need the money and son there is kinda hard and we know. I crazy now. California ban law to struck. Come on, people, to show you the best. How the racing is. Back in the old day, they race 125, you name it. Then we'll tell you whole history over the bike and Baja. Yeah, I'm trying to get this one up. I may jump it a little bit and may go somewhere else and do a little bit more because yeah, I got this type of a little bit, not too bad. And yeah, this dirt bike kinda is a man now. I pay $1 for this one. I'm not joking because I had to tell her for it. I need keep looking for it. It may be here or in some of my house because if I not found it, I will go make a lost tire from Cousin City and DMV, I would say. Go there and to get my lost tire and yeah. And right now, this tire is so brand new because it looked like old. My friend said just it sitting outside for 6 months, and it got a little bit dented down, and both sides are new and real new, front new, and it probably hold up on it. And just saying, it'll hold up on it. And yeah. And a lot of people said to me, "So you sound like, no, I would not want to. I want to hold on that and get all my friends, scare my friends, because I like to scare people for fun, not me." And when my son will be running up, I will make a video after my friend do everything for me, help me out, do the inspection, everything, and yeah. If I not upload, maybe tomorrow, I was working on the bike little mall, check out the sun stuff, just making sure everything perfect on here. Because my order a part for a flywheel holder is coming. I may make a upload for it and see if I can take out the flywheel. Boom. And something I need to get from what?